Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction. Now we solve it by the rule of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rules, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Now multiplication and division we start left to right, and addition and subtraction left to right. Now we have one parenthesis here, so we solve it. The equation becomes 6 divided by 3. 1 plus 2 give us 3, and now we have one multiplication here, so we write multiplication. 1 plus 2 give us 3. Now we have one division and one multiplication, so you know that we solve it from left to right. Now from left to right we first division and then multiplication. 6 divided by 3 give us 2, multiply by 3. Now the answer is 2 3s are 6. Answer is 6.